What's up YouTube? This is your boy Chef Fitz in the building today. Today I'm going to show you how to make your Jamaican coconut shrimp. Yeah? So stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to make your Jamaican coconut shrimp.
Hey, don't do it.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible, believe.
What you mean?
If I can do it, you can spread your wings.
Do it.
Nothing is impossible.
Alright, so welcome back. So as you can see, I have about 8 of these jumbo shrimp already washed, cut nicely. As you can see, I kind of give them a little butterfly because I want my seasoning and everything to soak in it. I have a scrambled egg here, nice scrambled egg. Gonna whisk it. And I have some plain flour, all purpose. Also have some more all purpose flour here. And also the coconut crumbs. I'm using the non-sweetened coconut crumbs because I don't want to make any sweet shrimp. Because you know when the coconut is sweet, when you put it in the oil to fry, it's gonna burn quick because of the sweetness. Alright, so I'm using the non-sweet one. Alright, so let's start the ball. We're gonna start season the shrimp. We're gonna use half teaspoon salt on our shrimp. Nicely. Also gonna use half teaspoon paprika on our shrimp. Nice. We're gonna use half teaspoon black pepper on our shrimp. Right? We're gonna use some of our all-purpose here, about half teaspoon. Good. And then we're gonna add some of our garlic spice. Half teaspoon garlic spice too. Good. We have some of those the chili spice, chili powder. Use some just to get a little that nice little taste. No, use half teaspoon. Alright. So let's move over to our egg. We're gonna whisk our one egg that we have here. Good. We're gonna add about quarter teaspoon salt, quarter teaspoon black pepper, quarter teaspoon paprika, and we also add in some of that chili powder just to get that nice flavor, you know. Alright, whisking this nicely. Alright, we're gonna add about half cup of water. Good. Whisk it nicely. And then we're gonna add half cup of plain flour to get that silky. We're making this button kind of a little bit silky, right? So let's whisk in this. Yes, you're whisking it till it gets silky, you know, not drippy, silky. Our shrimp. Right, whisking it nicely. Right, so it's ready. Good. Let's see the content of it. Nice, real silky and ready for your shrimp. Alright, so let's kind of rub in your shrimp a little bit to let it go and marinate. Rub in it nicely, make it go and marinate it. Yeah? Nice shrimp today, your coconut shrimp. So leave that, make it go and marinate it. Alright, our butter is also ready nicely. Alright, so let's season our flour over here. We're going to add some black pepper, add some chili powder. Alright, we're going to add some of this taco season. Good. And a pinch of salt. Don't want to over season it. Add a pinch of salt. And we're going to mix it around like this nicely. Alright. Good. So we season our shrimp. We season our butter. We also season our flour that we're going to use. Alright. Over here you have the coconut crumbs. Right, I'm not going to add no season at all to this because as you can see I already seasoned 3 of my ingredients that I'm using with the shrimp. Alright, so we're not going to add nothing to our coconut crumbs here. Alright, so leave it nicely there and let's set up to start. To our shrimp marinated, we're going to start the procedure. Alright, so our shrimp is marinated and ready. Alright, so we're going to kind of open them like this. And we're going to put it in the flour first. Alright, nicely flour it. Ensure that you flour. As you can see, I leave the tail with the scale just for style, you know. It's easier to deal with. So after you flour it like this, you're going to put it over to your batter here. You're going to do both sides. Open it nicely and do both sides. Good. Gonna drain off the excess butter. And now you're gonna move it over to your coconut. So you do the same thing with the coconut. Spark it on. Ensure that you put it on, pack it on nicely. And then you're going to have it like this, alright? And then you're going to put it on a dry plate. Set it up nicely and do it. Set it up nicely like that. We're going to do the same thing. Repeat the procedure for all our shrimp. Alright? Come over to your butter. Ensure that the shrimp is open. The both sides. Good. Nice. Jamaican coconut shrimp boy. And then we're going to do the same thing with the coconut does here. Pack it on nicely. Show that it pack on nicely, alright? Look at it. Look at it. Yeah? Ready to fry. Alright, we'll put it over there nicely. Alright, so we're going to repeat the process for all of our shrimps. Alright, so we have our shrimp nicely coated, ready to start fry. Yeah? Over here we have our pot heated with about a cup of cooking oil. We're using the corn oil. You can use the vegetable oil, anyone you wish, but ensure that you use a cup because we're kind of deep frying this thing. Alright, we have our stove on 325 degrees Fahrenheit, and over here we have a plate that we're going to put our shrimp in after it fry. Alright, so I'm using the wax grease paper. Then using the paper towel wrap. You can use a grill. If you have a grill tray, you can put it on top to drain the oil. Right? So we're gonna put in our shrimp nicely now over here. So we're going anti-clockwise. Alright, so we're gonna put in one here. Try not to overcrowd your pot. Alright. Same like how we put them in, that's the same way we're taking them out. Nicely. Obviously we're not overcrowding our pot because we don't want the crispiness of come off our shrimp. Right? So normally it takes like 2 to 3 minutes to fry. So we're gonna go like a minute and a half for each side. Alright, you know shrimp easy to cook. Alright, so let's leave it and then we're gonna turn it after a minute. So after a minute and a half, as you can see, our shrimp started to catch that color that we're looking for. that golden brown color. So let me nicely turn them. Take your time and turn them. So you don't want to get off your... That's the golden color we're looking for, yeah? This our shrimp with that nice golden brown color. That's the color that we're trying to achieve. Alright? Looking nice. Alright, so our shrimp is nicely golden brown. We're going to remove them nicely. And put them over here. Look at our shrimp, how them look nice, yeah? Ready. I'm going to serve this up with some nice Aioli Guava jello sauce. Alright? We're gonna serve this nicely with that sauce. Look at our shrimp. Nicely crispy. Look at the coconut flakes. Look at it, look at it, look how beautiful it is. Yeah? So we're gonna repeat the process for the rest of shrimp. And we're gonna make a nice guava jelly Aioli sauce. Alright? Alright, so now we're gonna make our Aioli guava jelly sauce. Alright? So we have some dry basil here, we have some scotch bonnet over there with some nice garlic. We have some mayonnaise right here. And we have the blender right here. Alright, so let's add a teaspoon of that guava jelly. 1 teaspoon. Alright? Let's add the scotch bonnet and the garlic. Good. And then we're gonna add 3 teaspoons of this mayonnaise. 3 teaspoons of this mayonnaise. Good. Alright. And we're gonna add also some tomato ketchup, about 2 teaspoons, to give it a little bit of that acidic taste. Alright. Add about 1/4 teaspoon dry basil to get that flake taste. Alright. Alright. And then we're gonna blend nicely. Alright, take a look at our sauce, blend nicely. Now we're gonna pour it out. Look at how beautiful it is, eh? Wow. Alright, nice. Nice and ready. Alright, so our sauce is ready. Our plate is ready to place our shrimps. So let's take out a nice, look how silky this is. We're gonna put it on our plate. Put it down like this nicely. And then we're gonna use a spoon. Make this nice little shape. Yeah? That nice little shape. And then we're gonna place our shrimp nicely in it like this. Yeah. Get that nice little look, yeah? We're gonna do another side like that. Another. Yeah? And we're gonna put it right here. And we're gonna use our spoon and do like this. Then we're gonna add another shrimp. Whoa! And then we're gonna do the next side like this, yeah? Make another thing. Kind of get that. And we're gonna drop our shrimp in there like that. Nice. Look at how beautiful it is. Yeah? Look at how beautiful it is, alright? Put little fresh thyme at the top right here, just for garnish. Sprinkle a little green onion over it. A little bit of green onion. Look at how beautiful it is, man. Yeah? Put the scotch bonnet right here. So there you have it. Our Jamaican coconut shrimp. Yeah? with our Aioli guava jelly sauce. This sauce tastes so good. It's the first I'm doing this sauce, you know. But I tell you, it tastes so nice. Yeah, man, I hope you guys continue watch my cooking show. Hope you guys like and share my videos on YouTube. That's Chef Fritz where I need them. Yeah? And I have a lot more videos coming out. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm out.
Hey, don't do it.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible, believe.
What you mean?